A rare. The more packs you open, the more epics you get. Yes, epic. So epic. Epics are pretty sweet, am I right? Epic, like that time I kicked Cal's ass. Legendary? Maybe lend me this one, new kid? Rare cards can be really helpful. You can leave that epic at my house, don't worry. Wow, epic! Yes, epic. So epic. Epic, that must feel good. I thought it was an epic, but it's only a rare, sorry. The more packs you open, the more epics you get. Epic cards make everything better. Sure got a lot of rares. Whatever, Asimo's the best epic. Mom, new kid's cheating. Sweet, epic card. Legendary, you lucky bastard. An epic card, kick ass! Only a rare? Yes, epic. So epic. The more packs you open, the more epics you get. Rare card, dude. Can't have too many rares. Epic, that must feel good. That is epic. Kenny sold me his last legendary for a sandwich, I swear. He's so poor.